Welcome back. Well, with just a few weeks to go for the Delhi Assembly elections, it's raining sops from Aam Aadmi Party. Two of the schemes announced most recently by the ruling party in Delhi are the ones that are intended towards women and the elderly. First is the Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana scheme that aims to provide 1,000 rupees per month to all the women aged above 18. And the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal had recently also announced that the amount would be raised to 2,100 rupees if the party returns to power in the assembly elections. The other scheme, another scheme that's also intended towards the elderly people. Today, the process of the registration for both the schemes will start. Take a look.
हमारे 60 साल के ऊपर के जितने बुजुर्ग हैं, उन सभी बुजुर्गों का मुफ्त इलाज, चाहे प्राइवेट हो चाहे सरकारी अस्पताल हो, चाहे अमीर हो चाहे गरीब हो, सबका इलाज दिल्ली सरकार वहन करेगी उसका खर्चा। तो जो हमारी टीम्स घर घर जाएंगी वो दोनों योजनाओं का रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगी, संजीवनी योजना का भी और महिला सम्मान योजना का भी।
Aadmi Party workers, leaders and ministers in the Delhi government will be visiting door to door to register the eligible beneficiaries as well. But reacting to this development and these announcements, the BJP has said that Kejriwal was selling false dreams as the Aam Aadmi Party had made similar promises during the Lok Sabha elections as well.
केजरीवाल जी से कहना चाहूंगी कि दिल्ली के जनता के साथ ये चुनावी छलावे बंद करिए। पंजाब की बहनें अभी भी तरस रही हैं। पंजाब में भी यही सेम इन्होंने घोषणा करी थी कि महिलाओं के खाते में पैसे जाएंगे। 2021-22 में ये घोषणा करी थी। अभी भी पंजाब की बहनें एक एक पाई के लिए तरस रही हैं। रही बात संजीवनी योजना की, तो मैं इनसे पूछना चाहूंगी, एक दशक से आप यहां पर सत्ता भोग रहे थे, तब आपने बुजुर्गों की जिम्मेदारी क्यों नहीं ली? तब क्या दिल्ली के बुजुर्ग नहीं थे? दिल्ली की जनता को लीडरशिप चाहिए, ये पॉलिटिकल थिएट्रिक्स नहीं चाहिए, खोखले वादे नहीं चाहिए, चुनावी जुमले नहीं चाहिए।
देखिए, 10 साल से लगातार मुनाफे का बजट अगर किसी स्टेट ने पेश किया है तो वो एकमात्र दिल्ली है। 10 साल से अगर लगातार किसी ने 200 यूनिट बिजली मुफ्त दिया है तो वो एकमात्र दिल्ली है। 10 साल से अगर शिक्षा का कायापलट किसी ने किया है तो वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की सरकार है। किरण रिजिजू जी को देखना चाहिए कि उनकी सारी की सारी सरकारें घाटे में क्यों हैं, कौन ठग रहा है जनता को। सब सरकारें कहीं 7 लाख करोड़ के लोन में हैं, कहीं 3 लाख करोड़ का लोन। क्यों ऐसा है? ये लोग अपनी जेबें भर रहे हैं। एक नंबर के ठग और झूठे हैं भाजपाई।
My colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Mohit, clearly we're going to see a showdown, freebies raining ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, and today onwards the drive starts for the Aam Aadmi Party. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, in fact, from today, the Aam Aadmi Party will be going to the voters in Delhi regarding the registration for the Mahila Samman Yojana and also for the Sanjeevani Yojana. Yesterday, Arvind Kejriwal made this specific announcement that the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, the workers, will be going to every household and they will be ensuring that the women, that the elderly are registered for both these schemes. While to counter that, the BJP has been saying that the Aam Aadmi Party announced similar schemes in Punjab, but till now, not a single penny has been received by women in Punjab. So clearly the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party just before the elections promises such a freebies, but then in the end when it comes to delivery they are not able to do it. So clearly yesterday the BJP held a press conference and they basically stated that the Aam Aadmi Party is cheating people of Delhi, that for the first time Delhi is in fiscal deficit. The Delhi government does not have money to provide all these facilities to people of Delhi, but yes, it's a theatrics by the Aam Aadmi Party, while the Aam Aadmi Party says that like the other freebies, other schemes that they have announced in Delhi and they have been delivered according to the Aam Aadmi Party, this scheme will also be delivered to people of Delhi as soon as Aam Aadmi Party again forms government in Delhi. So we see that how there is a massive showdown over freebies while the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party has cheated people of Punjab, and similarly it will happen in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party say they will ensure that all these schemes reach to people on the ground and registration starts today.
And finally, it's going to be the people who will decide on who will govern Delhi for the next 5 years. Mohit, thank you for joining us.